Okay guys, I'm making for the blossom cookies for more with the chocolate. And remember when I made from last month that I made for the peanut butter blossom cookies? You know, during for that after for the Thanksgiving feast. So right now I'm going to do for the holiday editions. I preheat my oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a large bowl. We're going to combine 1 stick of unsalted butter that I brought to room temperature. Sorry about over melting it, but that's alright. Let's get this butter out of here and it goes right into the bowl. So I'm going to plop in 3/4 cup of firmly packed light or dark brown sugar, and I'm just going to cream that together till light and fluffy. I'm going to use the one with the electric hand mixer, and you can see the worker's going to drilling over it. Here we go. As you can see, it's just light and fluffy. I'm going to add 1 large egg, have that room temperature, and I'm going to add these 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, which is you keep whirling around. So always have to make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl down and the bottom occasionally. Get that everywhere going. Just make sure to keep whirling alright. That's perfectly great. We're going to set this for momentarily. We're going to move on for dry ingredients. Now for the dry ingredients in a separate bowl, let's put 1 4 cups of all-purpose flour, along with a ½ cup of natural unsweetened cocoa. I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a ½ teaspoon of baking powder, and a 4 teaspoons of kosher salt. And I'm just going to sift this into a separate bowl until it doesn't have any lumps. The cocoa powder has a lot of lumps, so I'm going to keep breaking all the way. Let's get any of those bit-sized pieces of this. I'm going to make sure to sift all the way before I'm going to add it right in. Alright, just all sift together. Now you can go ahead and add to the dry, to the wet, little by little. I'm going to use the one with the wooden spoon. We don't want to fly everywhere with the electric mixer. Looks like I'm going to finish the rest. Just want to get to form it into a cookie dough. Here's the cookie dough, nice and chocolatey. You want to take a small size of an ice cream scooper. Just we did the same as the peanut butter blossom. Roll it into a ball. Don't want to make a mess. Going to roll it into a coarse granulated sugar to coat it, like I have any left over. I'm going to roll that over here. You want to place it onto a cookie sheet has been already lined with parchment paper. That way for easy cleanup. You have to make sure to leave some space for 2 inches apart. Here's the first one. I'm going to give you guys a little closer. So let's finish the rest. Alright, I counted only 27 that I've been after I run out for the Hershey Kisses. That's not being not enough. I decided I could put 2 of those dumpling cookies that I make it in there, just a little bit of the jam. I used to want with strawberry jam. I counted only 25 instead of 26. So anyway, let's put this in the oven for 350 degrees. We're going to bake it for 10 minutes. First batch is done. Let me take it out of the oven. And you can see how I like crank on the cookies. I'm going to quickly insert the Hershey Kisses right in the middle while it's still hot. Just we did the same as the peanut butter blossom. I'm going to transfer onto the cooling rack and going to let them cool for evenly for 12 minutes. This is what it just looks. I made only 27. The 25 has insert for the Hershey Kisses, and I almost running out of that. And the other 2 that I made with the dumpling, I use it with the strawberry jams. You can use whatever type of jam that you happen right now for the Hershey Kisses. I'm pretty sure it does. It's going to be great. And here you go, our chocolate blossom cookies.